Hello everybody, I'm Remo. I'm an investment fund lawyer. I have 20 years experience. I've worked at the oldest Wall Street firm, Cadwalader, and one of the more well-known UK law firms, Allen Overy, and several other law firms. But I decided that after I met a gentleman called Greg McLeod, that I would trade Forex. I hadn't traded Forex before. I had traded other products such as CFDs and shares, but after meeting Greg, I decided that I would listen to his strategy, and I tried his strategy because I realized that he was a very, very knowledgeable trader. He was the real deal. You could see it from just talking to him, and his knowledge about Forex was truly great. And I've actually tried his strategy, and I've got to say, now I'm in a position where I can trade Forex and win 7 out of 10 trades, often 8, 9, 10 out of 10. But that's all due to this strategy, and I'm very glad I met Greg. He started out as a teacher, so he has a very natural flair to teach, and that coupled with his 20 years plus experience as a Forex trader, and having made a living off of Forex for that long, I have to say he really is the real deal. And I've tried his strategy. Like I said, it works, and I can recommend him wholeheartedly to anybody who's considering getting guidance, because Forex is a very dangerous place. It is a bit like war. They want your money and you have to get their money. So in a war you need a general, and Greg McLeod is that general. He's the guy who knows the strategy, what's best, and how to make those pips fall your way. So I wholeheartedly recommend Greg McLeod and his strategy, and I vouch for the fact that it works. I've become a much better trader. I've learned things that I didn't know before, and that has helped me to be where I am now, to trade Forex in a manner that makes sense and has me smiling most of the time as opposed to crying most of the time. So with a big smile, I say Greg McLeod is the real deal, and you can trust him, and he really has the strategy that works. Bye everyone.